1 minus 7 times 4 minus 7. All right, guys. I want to show us a wrong method. A lot of people solve this wrongly. I'll show you the wrong method first, then I will show you the correct way to solve this kind of problem. This is order of operation, all right? So 1 minus 7, a lot of persons will do 1 minus 7 to get minus 6, then multiply by 4. They will now come and do this bracket, which is 4 minus 7, which is minus 3. So this minus will cancel out this minus. 6 times 3 is equals to what? 18. All right? But this answer is wrong. The reason why it is wrong is because we have to use our order of operation, because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, right? So if we use PEMDAS to solve this, we will not get 18, all right? Because this rule is called order of operation. So we have to follow the order of operation. So this one, this P, it stands for parentheses. This E stands for exponent, all right? M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, YS is subtraction. All right. So this rule says that we have to solve from left to right. But don't forget that division and multiplication have equal priority. All right. So we are solving from left to right. Now that we have the understanding of this, so we are doing parentheses first. So we have to first of all do this bracket. Then we'll now come and do our multiplication followed by division, then addition and subtraction. All right. So if we do this bracket first, we are going to have 4 minus 7, which is equals to minus 3. Remember, there is an invisible multiplication sign here, because number that is close, when a number is close to any parenthesis, it means multiplication. So we are putting our multiplication sign here, then 7. So we have 1 minus 7 times minus 3. So we have two operators here, which is minus, times, and also we still have minus here. So now that we have done with our parentheses, we'll come to multiplication, all right? So minus 7 times minus 3 is going to give us plus 21. Minus times minus will give us plus, all right? While 7 times 3 will give us 21. And we add our 1 here. So 1 plus 21 will give us 22. So guys, this is the correct answer to this question. That is how to solve it, okay?